believe that the market moves from level to level. This is our weekly analysis of the market based on our proprietary support and resistance levels.
So taking a look at the S&P, big analysis in the market on my daily. Still trending down. Looking at a big picture in the market here, we're in this big mountain ridge moving down. Very important price level for me is the 141.5825, and as long as I stay below there, bigger picture, I'm still looking for some downside movement over the next week. Now, looking at a little more detail, had a little bit of a gap starting out the week, so I anticipate some weaker upside movements to fill this gap up towards 69.50. With some strength, it could see 41.36 all the way up before another attempt to the short side. Now, if we do get this weak pullback towards 69.50, I will be looking for movements all the way down towards 39.58 before I see another bounce on its way towards 39.28 for the rest of the week. Now, taking a look at our 240, hit a very important price level up last week. A couple weeks ago, up at 22.75, 43, 22.75, and had some stronger movements down and getting some good head and shoulder movements. We had that Fed announcement on Friday pushing down strongly, and we had some weaker pullbacks now taking place. So again, could see some weaker upside movements, even all the way up towards 98 on the 4-hour chart. And as long as that area holds, I will look for additional downside movement over the next several days. If we get some strength above 98 and above 49.75, could see that movement come up and possibly even up to 41.46. But I'm anticipating a little bit of a weaker pullback before another attempt to the short side. So a little detail on what we call our confirmation chart in our day of trading. We finally broke out of this consolidation, but I'm not seeing a whole lot of upside strength. But we could still see some movements to the long side over the next several hours. I'm going to be monitoring any of the upside strength. Again, I'm going to be paying attention to that 40.98 that we could come up to. Now, if we don't have that strength to move all the way up there, I'm going to just anticipate another strong move over the next several days to move short. Let's set up some great trade opportunities last week. We had some mixed market movement, but beautiful movement in these areas to be able to take some trades long and short. But after that Fed announcement, we had a very large drop in the market, and we're pulling back weekly after a little consolidation today. But could still see some weak upside movement back up to very important price level on the trading chart at 60.50. As long as I can stay below that 60.50, looking for some short opportunities throughout the rest of the week. We may get some consolidation, giving us some long and short opportunity setups, but I will be looking for opportunities based on these weaker pullbacks after some of the correction from that Fed announcement to continue back to the short side one more time down towards the 4,009 area.